Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Cryptomator on your Mac step by step. Cryptomator is a free and open source encryption tool that helps protect your files by encrypting them before they're uploaded to cloud storage services like iCloud Drive, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and more. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Cryptomator website. Go to the Download section and download the latest version for macOS. Wait for the download to finish before moving to the next step. Next, locate the downloaded DMG file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to open the installer. A new window will appear with the Cryptomator application. Now, drag the Cryptomator icon into your Applications folder. This copies the app to your Mac and completes the installation. Once the process finishes, open the Applications folder and launch Cryptomator. The first time you open the app, macOS may display a security warning because the application was downloaded from the internet. Click Open to confirm that you want to run the app. If prompted, grant any required permissions so Cryptomator can create and manage encrypted vaults on your Mac. Once Cryptomator opens, click Create New Vault or Add Vault to set up your first encrypted vault. Choose a location, create a strong password, and save your settings. Remember to keep your vault password safe because it's required to unlock your encrypted files, and that's it. You now know how to install Cryptomator on your Mac and start protecting your files with secure end-to-end encryption before storing them in the cloud. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the